welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to make a clear tape infinity cube. This is such a cute craft if you have the little pieces of paper in, but that is totally optional. I just added it in because I like the way it looks, obviously. And yeah, let's get into this. So first of all, you want to get a long piece of sellotape and fold it in half so that the sides aren't sticky. Then get a ruler and measure up 1.5 centimeters. Do that until you have six squares, and they have to be equal squares. Then get your squares and just put one in the middle and then one either side of that square and tape the bits onto it. Then tape the sides together so that it makes a box just without the lid. Then after that you have to get a yellow marker or any type of marker, any colour, and get a piece of paper and just colour a little rectangle in. Do it on both sides so that it isn't white. Then chop it up into little pieces, as this is going to be the bit that goes into the box to make it all colourful. Then plop them all into the box and sellotape the sixth square onto the top of that cube. Do that with all your 8 ones, and then get 2 of your squares and tape them both together like this. Do that with all 8 squares, so you end up with 4 squares that are tied together. You can see here I'm doing it with my turquoise squares and my yellow squares. This took about 3.5 hours to do all squares and build it all, but overall I like it. Then get all 4 squares and line them up together like this, and then tape the side bits like that. Then get that bit and tape the top bit of the square, and then tape the bottom 2 squares together. So this is how my infinity tape cube turned out. I think it turned out pretty well considering it's only made out of tape and paper. If you want me to make another one but made out of paper, then please comment in the comments down below. And I really enjoyed making this as it didn't involve much like nets that you have to draw out with paper, and I really like the little paper bits that's inside the cubes because I just think it makes it super special and a cute DIY to make. And yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great week. So bye bye.